Welcome back. In this video, I will tell you about 50 rare old coins from South America and Europe. Number 1 is Anguilla Piro dollar coin issued in 1967. It is PCGS grade very fine 35 and value is $200. Anguilla Mexico dollar coin 1967 PCGS is AU58 and the value is $200. Well, this is Argentina 4 sols 1832 RA P. La Rioja Mint PCGS mount removed. Value is $200. Argentina Buenos Aires 5 by 10 reel 1831 PCGS grade is MS62 brown and value is $120. Argentina 5 pesos 1888 Buenos Aires Mint PCGS MS61 and the value is $600. Well, this is Argentina Cordoba 2 reels 1845 Cordoba Mint PCGS grade is very fine 35 and value is $200. This is Argentina 5 pesos 1896 Buenos Aires Mint and NGC grade is MS62. Value is $900. This is Bolivia Medal 1808 Potosi Mint PCGS grade is MS61 and the value is $2,600. Bolivia 2 sols Proclamation Silver Medal 1852 by 1 NGC is AU58 and the value is $300. Well, this is Bolivia 8 sols 1861 PTSFJ Potosi Mint PCGS grade is genuine tooled and value is $100. Bolivia 4 sols 1855 PTSMJ Potosi Mint PCGS MS62 value is $250. Bolivia Mel Guerrillo Proclamation half sol silver medal 1865 NGC grade MS65 and value is $300. Bolivia Mel Guerrillo Proclamation half Mel Guerrillo silver medal 1865 NGC AU58 and value $120. Bolivia Boliviano 1865 PTSFP Potosi Mint NGC MS63 and value is $300. Well, this is Bolivia Boliviano 1868 7 PTSFE Potosi Mint and NGC grade AU58 value $150. Bolivia 50 centavos 1873 PTSFE Potosi Mint PCGS MS63 and value is $200. Bolivia Panama Canal Zone Copper 5 centavos token 1870 PCGS MS62 brown value $100. Well, this is Bolivia 10 centavos 1878 PTSFE Potosi Mint PCGS MS64 and value is $120. Well, this is Bolivia centavo 1883 Paris Mint PCGS MS65 brown and value is $120. Well, next is Bolivia 35 gramos 1952 Paris Mint PCGS MS64 and value is $2,500. This is Brazil 1000 Reis 1771 Lisbon Mint Jose 1 PCGS AU58 and value is $600. This is Brazil 960 Reis 1814B Bahia Mint Joa as Prince Regent NGC MS61 value $500. Brazil 960 Reis 1820R Rio de Janeiro Mint and it is Joa 6 NGC MS62. Well, next is Brazil 960 Rs 1820R Rio de Janeiro Mint, Joa 6 BCGS AU58 and value is $200. Well, next is Brazil 960 Rs 1820R Rio de Janeiro Mint, Joa 6 BCGS AU55 and value is 140 United States dollar. Brazil 20,000 Rs 1852 Rio de Janeiro Mint, Pedro 2 BCGS extremely fine 45 and value is $1,200. Brazil 20,000 Rs 1864 Rio de Janeiro Mint, Pedro 2 NGC AU50 value $1,300. Well, this is Brazil 20,000 Rs 1897 Rio de Janeiro Mint NGC MS61 grade and value is $1,500. Well, next is British Virgin Island Tortola 4 shillings 1.5 pence NT George 3 value is 500 United States dollar. Number 30 is British Virgin Island Tortola Black Dog 1.5 pence NT 1792 to 1811 George 3 value 340 United States dollar. Central American Union Bronze 2 centavos Isai Patron 1889 value is $300. Well, next is Chile 8 reels 1790 SODA Santiago Mint Charles 4 value is $1,100. Next is Chile reel 1816 SOFJ Santiago Mint Ferdinand 7 BCGS MS64 and value is $750. Chile 10 pesos 1864 SO Santiago Mint NGC MS62 value is $1,700. Well, next is Chile pesos 1870-69 SO Santiago Mint NGC MS64 value is $2,200. Chile pesos 1878 SO Santiago Mint NGC MS65 plus value is $1,600. Well, next is Chile pesos 1882 SO Santiago Mint NGC MS65 and value is $950 United States dollar. Well, this is Chile half decimo 1892 82 SO Santiago Mint NGC MS67 plus and the value is $400. This one is from Chile 100 pesos 1926 SO Santiago Mint NGC MS62 and value is $1,250. Chile 10 centavo 1940 Santiago Mint BCGS MS67 value is $300. Well, number 41 is from Colombia 8 escudos 1787 NRJJ Bogota Mint Charles 3 BCGS MS61 value is $3,000. Colombia Escudo 1772P JS Popayan Mint Charles 3 BCGS AU55 value is $1,000. Well, next is Colombia 8 Escudos 1813 NRJF Bogota Mint Ferdinand 7 BCGS MS61 value is $3,000. This is from Colombia and it is Cundinamarca 8 reels 1821 Bogota Mint Grusian remove value is $200. This is Colombia Escudo 1831-21 RUM Papayan Mint BCGS extremely fine 45 and value is $300. Well, next is from Colombia 10 pesos 1924B Bogota Mint BCGS MS61 and value is $1,300 United States dollar. Number 47 is Costa Rica, Great Britain, 2 reels ND 1849-57, genuine cleaned and value is $460. Next is from Costa Rica, Great Britain. Two reels ND 1849 to 57. PCGS very fine 30. Value $480. Number 49 is Costa Rica, Great Britain, real NT 1849 to 57, St. Joe's Mint, and value is $800. And number 50 is also from Costa Rica, contemporary counterfeit, 10 pesos 1870, GW, extremely fine, and the value is 180 United States dollar. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.